Okay, finally number 10. Well, I accidentally deleted this video once I recorded it, and since I only had one blank copy of the worksheet, I had to write this on line paper. This problem, I really wanted to go over in detail on that worksheet because the coordinate plane was going up by a half instead of one, and I know a lot of students have been having trouble plotting points. So what you can see here is the coordinate plane that I drew here on this graph paper. Also, each box is a half a unit, just like your worksheet. So I look at the equation. Here's my general form. I want to first identify the a, the h, and the k. If there's no number in front of the parentheses, a is 1. Now with the h and k, we say switch the sign of the h, keep the sign of the k. So for the h, I look in the parentheses, I see a positive 3, so I'm going to switch that sign and make a negative 3. Keep the sign of the k, the number at the end is negative 3. So we know the vertex is at negative 3, negative 3. Now make sure you're looking at the numbers on the axes. Negative 3, negative 3. Okay, we're going to draw that axis of symmetry coming right down through that point. Now, a lot of you have been plotting the vertex correctly with this. It's now the other points is where we're having some issues when the coordinate plane's not going up by 1. So I'm going to write down my first two odd numbers. It's always 1 and 3. My a value is 1. I'm going to multiply across. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. So I've got 1 and I've got a 3. They're positive, so we're moving up. It doesn't matter what this is, the horizontal change is always 1. Now, these aren't boxes. These are full units. Okay, so keep that in mind when we come over here. So when we want to go up 1 unit to the right 1 unit, since each box is a half a unit, to go up 1 unit, I need to go up 2 boxes, to the right 2 boxes. So I went up 1 full unit. I went from negative 3 to negative 2. I went over a full unit from negative 3 to negative 2. So up 1, over 1, full units. Now I go to the second one, positive 3. So once again, not 3 boxes, 3 units. So that actually will be 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over 1. So as you can see, I went up 3 full units from negative 2, negative 1, 0, positive 1, over a full unit. Now I just need to reflect. So reflect this over. I'm going to count little boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be, that point should be right above negative 5 on the x-axis. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now I've got my 5 points. I'm going to try my best to draw a smooth curve coming through. I realized I've had a little more practice doing this than a lot of you guys have. Domain is always going to be all real numbers. The range, once again, always deals with that k value, the y-coordinate of the vertex. That's a negative 3. This graph opens up, so we say y is greater than or equal to negative 3. The y-coordinate of every point everywhere on the curve is greater than or equal to negative 3. There'll never be any points down here.